Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In our last video, we have discussed about various benefits of NPS and choosing NPS an option for our retirement planning. In today's video, we will be discussing about two tiers of NPS. Let us know what is the purpose for opening tier 1 and tier 2 account. Tier 1 is a mandatory retirement account where contributions are made for long-term retirement planning. It is primarily meant for long-term retirement savings. Tier 2 is a voluntary savings account which is meant for short-term savings. Means it is suitable for our short-term goals and emergencies. Let us know both the tiers as per their withdrawal conditions. In Tier 1, withdrawal conditions are restricted until the age of retirement, which is currently 60 years. Except for specific circumstances, we can withdraw like in some critical illness or partial withdrawals under some specific conditions. Under Tier 2, withdrawals are unrestricted, means you can withdraw the savings at any time, which makes it suitable for short-term financial needs. Let us know Tier 1 and Tier 2 by their minimum contribution. In Tier 1, there is a specific requirement of minimum contribution annually. There is no specific minimum contribution amount in Tier 2 account. We can open a Tier 2 account anytime with a nominal amount. Let us know Tier 1 and Tier 2 on the basis of their tax benefits. Contributions made to Tier 1 are eligible for benefit under Section 80C and 80CCD of Income Tax Act, subject to certain terms and conditions. Contribution made to Tier 2 account do not offer any additional tax benefits like contribution made to Tier 1. Investment options. Both Tier 1 and Tier 2 allows you to choose your investment options between equity, corporate bonds and government securities. In summary, Tier 1 is meant for long-term retirement planning with certain withdrawal conditions. On the other side, Tier 2 is meant for short-term financial needs and offers more flexibility. So, if you want to withdraw funds in short span of time, you can go for option Tier 2. Thus, individual can choose to invest either in Tier 1 or in Tier 2 or in both, depending on their financial needs and goals.